sure who would like to have our workshop. We need to make sure all of you are the ones we're looking for. But now that you're inside and safe, take a look around. I know it doesn't look like much. It honestly looks like a lot of junk, but to us, this is everything. Allow me to introduce ourselves. I'm Carlos and Austin. My name is Tyler, and we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers, the lightsaber. Now, the lightsaber is beautiful and enigmatic. They say to build a lightsaber is a work of art. And I believe them. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's been held by some of our greatest heroes and some of our darkest enemies. Each saber is a direct reflection of its builder, with the force flowing directly between the two. And today, builders, you're going to feel that connection. But it all starts with one very important piece. It starts with this. The kyber crystal. The kyber crystal is the heart of your lightsaber. It takes the force and magnifies it into a blade. The color once held by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, now our spark of hope. Ready? 3. Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and the legendary Luke Skywalker have all wielded these colors. Violet, the most rare and beautiful kyber crystal of them all, once held by Master Mace Windu. And lastly, red, the crystal of power. Darth Vader, Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, and now is held by Kylo Ren. For builders, we're not here to hear about their stories. We're here for you to build upon yours. It is now time for you to choose your kyber crystal. So I ask you all to please close your eyes for me. Close your eyes for me. You want to feel what color is calling out to you. Clear your mind. What is that color? What color will your blade be? Builders, if you are ready, open your eyes and take the kyber crystal you envision. They say sometimes the kyber crystal can even choose you. Once you get your kyber crystal, make sure to put it in the green holder in the workstation in front of you, as it is not yet safe.
Is that? This red? Purple? Just...
It's like you're off in your state of have their droids to you. It's like you'll speak to them, they'll speak back sometimes. It's very awful. Before you know it, it'll sprout legs and start to walk away.
I think they're working on that.
That would be interesting. Then it would really be a droid.
I know they're working on things that sit at your house at home and like look at you and respond to you.
So you have a droid. But it's...
I don't have a true thing, I think it's really
interesting. As far back as you can go. Now, Austin and Carlos are going around putting your adults into our crystal stabilization chamber. As gatherers, you're not force sensitive, so you cannot make sure the inner mechanisms of your lightsaber are working correctly using the force. So we harness technology to help us do so. But sometimes things can get explosive. Our decorations on our ceilings are a result of some of our accidents. How long has it been since the last one?
17 minutes.
17 minutes. Alright. You should be fine. I mean, if anything happens, you got a pair of hands, just close your eyes. Rather lose a hand than lose an eye. Alright, it looks like we got that escape. So builders, it is now time for us to escape our final.
Many parts still hurt. Now, join they are. Yes, lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Master Yoda. Builders, the Force must be strong in this room today. And he is correct. It is now time to forge a bond between Builder and Saber. But we'll take this last step the same way we took all of our others. Together. Now, Builders, Are you ready to take your final step? Yes? Alright, so everyone please take a step forward. Put your hands on your hilts. And activate. Raise your lightsabers. You have just built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and Sith that have come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Oh, the crowd! You've done a wonderful job. Show off.
Yeah!
Now please lower and deactivate your lightsabers. The bond is complete. Congratulations.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like your way it can, but lead you it cannot. Your journey, you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, builders, for seeking us out today. Each lightsaber that you have built is extremely extraordinary, as each and every one of you. Now, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. To protect your lightsaber, we are pleased to present to you a saber sheath as you depart. Unfortunately, our time together has come to an end, but your journeys are just beginning. It's time for you to go out and make your mark out on the galaxy. And who knows, maybe someday I'll be here to tell one of your stories. We wish you safe travels, builders, and as we say here at Blackspire Outpost, till the spire.
Till the spire!
Right on this road to collect your saber sheath. Congratulations, builders.
This is original John Williams music.
Tommy was at